welcome to the explainer. Okay, listen, we're diving right into this because today we are breaking down something that is absolutely, literally a game changer. We're going to master an entire stack of 8 incredibly powerful AI tools directly from Google. And you know what the absolute best part of this is? This specific stack has the power to completely replace all those expensive monthly subscriptions you might be relying on right now. If you've been searching for an actionable blueprint on how to leverage AI entirely for free and strictly for your own benefit, well, you're in exactly the right place. We're going to explore how you can research, design, build apps, generate video, and launch marketing campaigns all sitting right inside the Google ecosystem. So let me ask you a tough question, and I want you to really think about this for a second. How many monthly subscriptions are you currently juggling just to get your everyday work done? Seriously, between chatbots, image generators, app builders, and all that marketing software, those $20 and $30 monthly fees add up incredibly fast, right? It's just so easy to fall into this trap of thinking that premium results absolutely require premium price tags. But what if that just simply isn't true anymore? What if the whole barrier to entry has completely shifted under our feet? Look at the stark contrast we have set up here. On one side, you've got the paid stack you are probably juggling right now. We're talking ChatGPT or Claude for your texting coding, maybe Midjourney for generating images, Canva for your daily design needs, and maybe something like Lovable to build out apps. But today, we're exploring how the entirely free Google stack on the other side does exactly the same work. We're talking about replacing a fragmented, super expensive workflow with a cohesive, deeply integrated set of tools that talk to each other. And here is the absolute kicker, the crucial point about the cost of this entire Google AI stack we're analyzing today. It is absolutely zero. No subscription fees, no putting your credit card in just to start a sneaky trial, just zero cost. Guys, this is a massive paradigm shift. We're not talking about some watered-down, limited version where you run out of credits in 10 minutes. This is a masterclass stack that empowers you to build working applications, synthesize deep research, and generate full marketing campaigns without spending a single dime. Here's our roadmap for this explainer. We're going to cover content creation and design, building apps without code, smart research and learning, AI marketing and automation, and finally, we'll put together your free AI stack. All right, part 1, content creation and design. Starting us off in our arsenal is Gemini. Now, you might be thinking of Gemini as just another standard chatbot, but actually, scratch that. It is a massive all-in-one hub. Imagine for a second synthesizing a massive 50-page PDF, generating a custom graphic for it using Nano Banana, and then creating a quick video snippet with Omni, all without ever leaving the chat window. It handles your standard chat, obviously, but it goes so much further with its deep research capabilities. You literally don't need to bounce around between 3 different websites and 3 different paid accounts to get your text, high-quality images, and video. It's all centralized right here. This is going to be your core engine for daily content. But what if you want to push your visual content even further? Well, that is exactly where Google Flow comes in. Think of Google Flow as your own entirely free AI filmmaking studio. And we aren't just talking about simple, basic motion graphics here. This tool is designed for producing full cinematic video scenes. If you're a creator, a marketer, or any kind of storyteller really, Flow completely replaces the old way of doing things. It gives you the power to generate high-end video sequences that previously would have required incredibly expensive software subscriptions, crazy powerful hardware, and honestly an entire team of animators. Now, it's just accessible directly through this free suite. Moving right along to part 2, building apps without code. Okay, this is where things get truly mind-bending. With Google AI Studio, you bypass traditional coding entirely. I mean it. You can literally build full working applications just from typing a prompt. Something like, hey, build me a daily habit tracker app. And it just does it. But it doesn't even stop there. The studio gives you access to Lyria 3 for AI music generation, meaning you could build a working music app that actually features real AI-generated music. Got an idea for a new audio venture? You can create complete AI podcasts directly from a prompt. This drastically lowers the technical barrier, letting anyone with a solid idea become an app developer and a multimedia creator virtually overnight. And hey, if you've been paying hefty fees for UI and UX tools or app generators like Lovable, say hello to your direct replacement. It's called Stitch. Stitch allows you to design and export actual, real web apps with absolutely zero coding or design background required. None. You don't need to understand complex frameworks. You don't need to know front-end languages. Stitch takes your plain instructions and translates them into a clickable, fully functional website or web application. It completely democratizes web development. The only limit on your ability to launch a digital product right now is your imagination, not your technical skills, and definitely not your budget. Section 3. Let's talk about smart research and learning. Listen, if you haven't used NotebookLM yet, prepare to have your entire workflow revolutionized. NotebookLM acts as your own personal, hyper-intelligent research assistant. You literally just drop your raw documents, your massive PDFs, or messy meeting transcripts right into the interface, and it instantly builds structured research reports out of them. Or, my personal favorite, it generates audio overviews that you can listen to on your morning commute. It can also instantly map out super complex concepts with mind maps and build customized study guides. It takes all the heavy lifting out of research so you can actually focus on strategy and understanding instead of just manual data entry. Next up is a phenomenal tool called Learn Your Way. And let me be clear, this isn't just a search engine. It provides truly personalized AI learning. Because look, we all process information differently, right? Some of us are highly visual, some need practical hands-on examples, some prefer deep theoretical breakdowns. Learn Your Way literally rebuilds any complex topic to perfectly match your personal learning style. It dynamically adapts its explanations, its pacing, and the examples it uses to ensure you actually comprehend the material. It's an unbelievably powerful tool for upskilling yourself, completely free of charge. All right, on to part 4, AI marketing and automation. So scaling any project requires automation. That's a given. But automation software is notoriously expensive and super complicated to set up. Enter Opal. Opal completely replaces those complex automation platforms by letting you build powerful workflow automations and even cold email outreach machines just by typing out your instructions in plain English. You don't need to map out confusing logic trees or mess around with API webhooks. You literally just tell Opal, hey, when a new lead comes in, send them this personalized email and then add them to my database. And it just builds the machine for you. It's enterprise-level automation handed right to solo creators and small businesses. And for your visual marketing needs, we have Pomelli. This one is an absolute game changer for e-commerce and brand builders. Pomelli is an AI brand marketing tool that goes in, analyzes your existing website, and automatically generates customized AI brand marketing assets. You don't need an expensive physical studio setup anymore. It can create high-quality product shoots and build out full ad campaigns based entirely on the aesthetic and the information it pulls from your URL. It essentially acts as your own free, incredibly fast advertising agency, making sure your brand looks wildly professional across all your platforms. Which brings us to part 5, your free AI stack. Let's put it all together. Look at how comprehensive this workflow actually is. You've got Gemini and Google Flows seamlessly covering all your text, image, and cinematic video content. Then you have Google AI Studio and Stitch handling all your app building and web design without a single line of code. NotebookLM and Learn Your Way are serving as your ultimate research and upskilling assistants. And finally, Opal and Pomelli step in to automate your outreach and generate those ad campaigns. It is 8 incredibly powerful tools working in total harmony, covering literally every single base of digital creation and business building. The core takeaway from this explainer really boils down to this quote right here. You don't need a subscription, a credit card, or coding skills to build in 2026. The technological landscape has fundamentally shifted, guys. The gatekeepers of expensive software and highly specialized coding knowledge, they are gone. The tools are right there, they are unbelievably capable, and most importantly, they are completely free and accessible to absolutely anyone with an internet connection. So, armed with this entirely free powerhouse stack of Google AI tools, the excuses are officially out the window. You have the app developers, the researchers, the designers, and the marketing machines right at your fingertips. So I want to leave you with this final exciting thought. Now that the cost is zero and the tools are practically infinite, what are you going to build first? Thanks for joining me on this explainer.